Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 67 reg BMW 420i M-Sport. Now, this vehicle is a huge spec car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. It is in very nice order throughout. Obviously finished in this lovely silver metallic paintwork. But specification wise, a fantastic vehicle. So M-Sport obviously gives you the sportier body styling, so you get the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice flared side skirts, alloy wheels, you've got the LED Angel daytime running lights, you've got lower fog lamps, front and rear parking sensors. This vehicle is riding on the lovely 18-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels, finished in a lovely sparkle silver, just to match the paintwork. We've got gloss black detailing all around the windows. We've got the original wind deflector on this one, so this is a factory option, I believe. Obviously with your windows up, it just lets the air glide all the way over the car and just reduces all the wind within the cabin. To the rear, we've got rear parking sensors. It's been debadged, so you can't tell what type of model this is. You've got the nice lower diffuser on this one as well, finished in the mineral grey. And then inside, as you would have noticed, you've got a full ebony black leather. So lovely Dakota grained leather. You've got the contrasting blue stitch on there as well. Now you've got the factory options of the heated air scarf, so you've got warm air blowing on the back of your neck. These front seats are also heated, as well as fully electric and two-way memory. So ideal if you're looking to share the car with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. Press of a button and that will just fully adjust the seat to exactly where you want it. On the door cards then, grained leather follows through. We've got all the gloss black detailing inside, so that's another nice option. Park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, and then you've got the master window switch there as well. Jumping inside, automatic lights, automatic wipers, full leather multifunction steering wheel. Now this is the M-Sport wheel, so you've got the flappy paddles on there. You've also got your voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls, cruise control, speed limiter. So what we'll do is we'll start the car up. Rumbles into action straight away. The petrol has a very nice sound to it. So as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 30,042 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We'll just close the door. Then coming through to the center display, you've got the nice newer style infotainment system. So you've got radio and media, satellite navigation is there as well, communications, connected drive, my vehicle, all the notifications as well. And then coming down, heated front seats, as I mentioned before. It's a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Heated steering wheel as well, which is fantastic for those colder winter mornings. You've got your central cup holders, obviously 8-speed automatic box, which is silky smooth. So you've got drive at the bottom there, you've got sport mode and manual mode, which allows you to go through the gears manually. All your drive select, traction control, your parking sensors, buttons for the air scarf and the electric hood, and then obviously all your shortcut buttons and the center scroll wheel as well. Now, just before we put the roof up, let me just show you through to the rear seats. So the wind deflector does have its own compartment, so this basically folds down like so, and then just folds in the middle. And then when you're not using this, it just goes right behind the seats there and then doesn't get in the way at all. So the rear seats, as you can tell, they're in fantastic order. So you've got comfortable seating for 2. You've got Isofix in the bottom for your children's seats. You've also got central cup holders, rear vents, so the passengers get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. And you've also got a 12-volt power outlet as well. Now, we'll put the hood up and I'll show you it with the roof up. So being a hardtop convertible, These look just as good with the roof up as they do with the roof down. So with the roof down, lovely sporty convertible. With the roof up, you could easily mistake this for a sporty coupe. The whole operation only takes a matter of seconds. And then on the center console it should come up saying operation complete, which it has just there. So let me show you through to the boot. So being a hardtop convertible, you'd think that there isn't a lot of room in the back, but there is quite a bit. So looking through to the back there, you've got your loading divider. So this needs to be down for you to be able to take the roof off. And then obviously this just folds away into the headlining of the boot. And then as you can tell, you've got quite a bit of luggage space there. So you can definitely get all your shopping in there. You've also got the netting there to secure anything that you need. Added storage in the sides. And then just looking at the actual condition of the roof itself, that is in superb order. So heated rear screen, obviously colour-coded hard top, which is in fantastic order. But a nice vehicle. These cars come very well specified as it is, but then this one's got those additional extras which just set it aside from the rest. So if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.